for Yamamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel, so Mr. And there your first time or subscribing and clicking notification bell on the so number article we will have some read the actual and your news are ever we read it to we'll link it to say Nanapia Mensan Semno. We'll link it to it. Okay, and that's screen so send your best subscribing and when your notification bell no. You just happy pepper my Adomane so send I'll be me and then that screen. So we are number that screen as no person friend now near and komo. If I assembly ho you will hot amount. You're picking quite that means we are available. So to me and pick yes if we come back we will reach out to you. You reach out to you, I'll go to me after I'm back. We are your Facebook page and so link no our description box no go to me clicking our like my for now story no some obekaya say Happy FM4 air report to say the Canadian ladies some obekaya I think some months ago Canadian ladies bia ya kidnap you omo Ghana suspect no ya de omo akokoko court and finally court granted omo bail ya suspect no court granted omo bail na sabobekaya say no omo ye I think the suspects are they were about 8, but 4 of them court are granted one more bail. The 4 of them are granted one more bail to the tune of 200,000 Ghana cedis. Into 4 of them 200,000 Ghana cedis. Not just 200,000 Ghana cedis divided by 4 will be now 50,000, which is 500 million old cedis. Into just a nipa bako bill like they are granting no bond no 50,000 Ghana cedis. A year 500 million. And no any story Airbus is here, no news Airbus is here, news Airbus, and say the suspects in the 2 kidnapped Canadian ladies no they've been granted bail. 4 of them have been granted bail. The bond to the tune of a year 200,000 for the 4 of them into more charge 50,000. Now me read the article no. Actually, me read it we are now in common war no yet they at so say the Accra High Court has granted bail in the sum of 200,000 Ghana cedis each with 2 sureties to 4 of the 8 accused persons standing trial for the kidnapping of the 2 Canadians in Kumasi. Send me think kan eche no one more ye accused you no mo ye 8 na 4 ya granted on bail ya granted 4 bail na Graphics Online, not just a graphic for any reporting, in the credibility of graphic. That Graphics Online Emmanuel Ebo Hoxton reports that as part of the bail condition, one of the sureties must be justified, while Abdul Nasir Seidu Abubakar, aka NBA, Safainu Abubakari, and Abdul Rahman Suleiman, aka Wafa, must also report to the Kumasi Central Police Station every Monday. Not just a bill no yama, but every Monday and so report. Intino Seidu Eka wama ya ganto mobile no ho. Seidu Abubakari. Nsem ne ba no nkofo bebre ebeka de womunim efa Seidu ho. MPP4 Babontin beka say was Ghana there omo de be politics. NDC for na sha ase womo Babontin beka say da bi MPP chairman to me. And a bab on Tebeka says, I do no confunim no Kumase ho, na will be an say Seidu, or ye NDC ni. And I almost show videos and bra say I think Mahama no could be abused and I say do no or can send the bodyguards never into no one more linking to NDC. NDC for also a press conference I was same way home and the pictures and videos of kidnappers no the other ones no no more so one with the MPP for each. Eye ba omiase wo ko baby an ebi mu de tinti akoya say wo be here in politics na it tells you said these people are wo mo ye kidnapping no na wo mo kan sa vigilante groups in ho nti vigilante groups is a political violence echo for this type of kidnapping things no mo de omo hu shem nti na ye ka say ban the political vigilantism no because it trickles down sa ankofo na no mo ye langas ne sa anyama no na ye to also say the 4 were granted bail by the court, presided over by Justice George Boedi, following a bail application by their lawyers. Now, and only Sema, or say the rest of the accused persons are Samson Agalo, aka Romeo, Elvis Ojiowe, another Yenimso in Nigeria, and Jeff Omasa Yusuf Yakubu. They have been accused of playing various roles in the kidnapping of Miss Lauren Patricia Catherine. Not just a four now Canada, Yamo Mobile, and Miss Bailey Jordan Chili. Omudino no a Canadian ladies too now, a kidnapping omono. All the accused persons have been charged with 2 counts of conspiracy to kidnap, while Agalo Waji Yowe, Edimpani, Omasa and Yakubu have been charged additionally with 2 counts of kidnapping. Okay. It's here for and only in some daho. Na the intermaker as a linky way to Nana Pia Mensa Asemno. Osha. Ngofo a wo mo akidnapping Canadian ladies. It's for Munti Assembly yo. Ngofo a wo mo akidnapping Canadian ladies kano. She bail bond a de momo. Ngofo a wo mo akidnapping Canadian ladies so. Say kidnap was bisa for a huge sum of money say ebetimi aba na say o mo kidnap you kano. You have the potential of killing them because police for buy no woni o mo toto ye. Who shoot you at police for no? And a police for no, they discovered a lot of explosives. Omoka na yomo mama say you people had such weapons. Na yomo mama say sa etuo any explosives no bomb na mukra ewo baby am kidnap Canadian ladies no. Na sa nyama ni no mukonya free he. Etie for police for the buy moto muti omokra no bond aye de ama nipa ba kon 500 million 50,000. Na na pia mensa bond aye de man no 1 billion Ghana cedis. Emesre kra 1 billion Ghana cedis. Na asem we o na pia mensa asem we oga se who dey here. I don't know because first of all I don't know asem we there. Forgive me if you don't see the link here, but for me I see a clear link. I see a very very clear link here because what share in some air cost between Nana Pia Mensa anyway. First, Nana Pia Mensa no a buying a blockade the assets near. She says ask no crano nanka yam blocking the assets nanka mi jidi say beye den krasi bo benya ask no. Na ende ya blocking the assets. Ghana ha one ya no de ne Japan one no was anyama one no was ask no 1 billion Ghana cedis. Ghana ha sikeni ben eno wasa adena wodi besi awawama Nana Pia Mensa. Na ende ka far from this ka ende American musician the friend Al Kelly. Yes what toto in Kolamo na in Kola under age just 12 years, 13 years, 14 years. Na wachi omo toto omo na eno mpo no ye evidence o ye hu ewo video so tape so Al Kelly wo di insembone say. Anompo America for a chain no and the news about say you are granting the bill to the tune of $200,000. But what shall Nana Pia Mensa dey no convert to dollars $200 million. It's for Munti Assembly yo. Adia Al Kelly year wa brochi kra no. Ye man 200,000. 200,000 ono wa chichin kola ye hu video so. Na nkola na ye say watu omumu na ohwe count na I think 6 or 10. Ye man $200,000. Nana Pia Mensa. Womo say we defrauded. Ama another year 200 million. If you don't see how huge Nana Pia Mensa case na etia, that's the link I have created. Na debia emza matese Kwame A+ aka say Osha Trasakwa. Some of the most expensive buildings in Woho. $1 million. And $1 million. Said you can be na a tresse Nana Pia Mensa person or satisfy the bond condition and he is certain if he needs to bring 200 of those housing. It's here for this how huge Nana Pia Mensa's case is. This is extremely huge. Now, for me, I just don't know. But this is the story coming through. Into the kidnapped ladies, no, or my kidnap your yamo bill. Now, to the tune of 50,000 Ghana cedis. 50,000 Ghana cedis. Nana Pia Mensa dia no, and then I'm no. Just try to draw the link here. Check what our comment box native for me. That's it.